Hello sa inyo lahat, and for today's video ay mag-unbox tayo ng product from Shopee. It is humidifier. This is from Baseus. Ito. So this is actually a car humidifier, pero pwede na rin siya sa babaw ng desk ko. Angas kasi tignan. Yung nasa harap is matte siya. We'll have the idea kung ano yung texture ng product. It says Time Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier in Baseus. And then sa left side is sabi is Aroma Diffuser and Humidification, 2-level humidification adjustment, and then gradient ambient light. So maganda kasi may ambient light siya. Tapos sa right side ng box says Time Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier. So ito yung content ng box, I guess. Tapos USB DC 3.5 charging cable. Then the instruction manual. So ito yung sa likod. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pwede siya ilagay sa cup holders sa mga cars nyo. Alright, so it says here the name is Baseus Time Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier, Model DHSG1, Material PC+ABS plus hardware, color dark gray, silver. So, ang in-order ko is dark gray. Size niya is 70 by 132 mm. Weight 200 grams. Power input is DC 5 volts. 1.2 ampere. Rated power 6 watts. Water capacity niya is 75 ml. Spray amount 20 to 35 ml per hour. Now it says here the above data are measured by the Baseus laboratory. The actual use will be slightly different depending on the specific circumstances. Tapos here, ito yung handle. So bubuksan na natin siya, guys. May ano pala siya. So kunin naman natin itong kalawangin na cutter na to. Wala kasi ang ibang cutter. Ayan. So ito siya. Ayan. Uy, may plastic pala siya sa ibabaw. Ayan, so ito siya. Ang ganda. Para lang siyang tumbler na maliit, parang baso. Ayan. So dyan sabi, ang sabi dito, so ang sabi dito sa packet, please do not add water beyond max level. Please don't dump the machine. So huwag daw itatapon or ibabagsak yung machine. Tignan muna natin yung nasa box. So may warranty card. Ayan. Tapos yung manual. Ayun, may sticker. Dati may sticker na ako. Nagamit ko na yung dalawa. Ayun, ito. Nasa laptop nilagay ko. So this product is from this vacuum cleaner. I mean that sticker is from this sticker is from this vacuum cleaner. So awesome ito, guys, kasi maliit lang siya, tapos maganda siya gamitin sa keyboards ng laptop niyo. That's it. So this is the manual. So tabi natin ito kasi gagamitin natin yan. Stickers. Ito. May akala ko magkapareho lang pala. So Lagay natin doon. Tapos ito yung charger niya. So it's not a Type-C charger unlike this one na Type-C siya, which is very convenient, very mobile. This one is you should be using it says here ito USB DC 90 cm charging cable, USB tapos USB to DC 3.5. So USB tapos yung dulo, USB yung dulo tapos DC 3.5 maliit. So we're gonna try this. I have already the ocean breeze. By the way, this product should be only used with water soluble fragrance oil. So I got a ocean breeze. Nabili namin dun sa Wilcon. Okay, so lalagay ko muna dito sa box. Ito na siya. So we'll be trying this one. Ang ganda ng ano nila, cover. So binili ko siya dito sa Baseus. Lalagay ko na sa screen. Official store nila sa Shopee.
The product we test today is Baseus Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier. The high-quality aluminum alloy material matches the car interior, and the humidifier body can be easily placed in a cup holder. This Baseus humidifier adopts a powerful turbo blower to send out the mist, which atomizes water molecules into micro-mist through high-frequency sound waves. It has larger fog volume compared with other products in the market. It can be adjusted by one button between two spray modes: continuous spray and intermittent spray. The 3-color atmosphere light also helps relieve the tension and fatigue of the journey while keeping the air moist. Add aromatherapy and skincare essential oil to effectively remove the odor in a car. Add disinfectant to relieve dryness of the air and prevent the spread of bacteria. The USB interface can be connected to power supply ports in cars, computers, and power banks, suitable for multiple scenarios.
So sabi is ito, lalagay muna natin dito siya isa sa pack. Ang nakaganda is hindi siya tago yung DC 3.5 jack. So ganito siya, ayan, tago siya. Ganda. Tapos may rubber feet siya dito, rubber stoppers. So we're gonna try this. Sabi dito max is hanggang dyan lang. So yung lalim niya is kung itong roller na marumi. So about almost an inch. Okay, let's begin with trying out this product. Okay, manual. So, Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier. Product information introduction. Thank you for choosing Baseus. Product features. It is both an aroma diffuser and humidifier with a large amount of water mist. Nanoscale water mist can be added. Ayan. Name of product parts, spray nozzle, so ito, spray nozzle, tapos function button, ito, tapos water tank cover, itong taas na bahagi, tapos water tank, air outlet, maximum water level line, and then power cord. Usage, yun. Connect the USB charger cable DC 3.5 plug to the power port of the product base and then place the product on a level and stable surface. Tapos, number 2, open the water tank cover and pour water into it. The water level should not exceed the maximum water level line marked in the water tank. So, kukuha ko ng tubig. Dapat hindi sobra dun sa next is drop the water soluble essential oil to the water in the tank. The aroma concentration depends on your preference. 2 to 4 drops are enough, though 2 to 4 drops daw. One. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bango. Tapos close the water tank cover and then insert the USB port of the power cord into the USB port of mobile phone charger or other adapters. The DC output voltage should be 5 volts and the current should be greater than 1.2 ampere. Okay, close natin itong lid. I think pareho lang ata siya. Max. Tapos, after turning on the power, the machine is in standby state. So, kukuha ako ng, so this is 5 volts. Ito na lang gamitin ko. And then, susap natin. So, this is from my iPhone before. Sabi is, pag-success, it's on standby mode. And then balik tayo. Short press the function button. The machine starts the continuous spray mode. Short press the function button again for the intermittent spray mode. Terminate time is 15 seconds and short press the function button for the third time to turn off the spray. So after turning on the power, the atmosphere light in the water tank is turned on and synchronously during the spraying. Long press the function button for 1 second to turn off the atmosphere light, then long press the function button again for 1 second to turn on the light and turn it in a 3 green color gradient. So ayan, pink. Nakita nyo guys, medyo malakas siya. Next is short press the function button, machine starts the continuous spray. So iyan yung continuous spray. Short press the function button again for the intermittent spray mode. So 15 seconds siya. Tapos napapatay, tapos mag-on na ulit, tapos patay, tapos on. Tignan natin. Parang gusto ko yan siya. And then short press the function button again for the third time to turn off the spray. Now after turning on the power, the atmosphere light in the water tank is turned on synchronously. During the spraying, long press the function button for 1 second to turn off the atmosphere light. Ayan, so namatay yung light. Tapos long press the function button again for 1 second to turn on the light and turn it in a 3 green color state. And after the machine sprays for a long time, water droplets will condense on the inner wall of the spray nozzle. which will cause small spray volume or no spray. It is necessary to clean the spray nozzle before further use. During the spraying, it is strictly forbidden. So hindi ka pwede mag-add ng water habang nag-spray siya, ganyan. Dapat completely i-turn off mo talaga. When the water can be short or water, the machine will automatically shut down. So mag-automatic shutdown siya kapag konti na lang yung water. Then turn on again after adding water. So yun. So I'm happy with my purchase. Babango na itong kwarto ko. So by the way, hindi siya chargeable guys. Buti sana kung chargeable, no? So guys, thank you for watching my video. Support natin Baseus products because Baseus really are good quality products. Like this vacuum cleaner. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. So yun. And thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for other unboxing videos that I'll be doing soon. So stay tuned guys. Bye.
With